Hello students, welcome back after summer break. I hope you all are fine. Today our topic is children at work. Dear students, with the help of this chapter, we will be able to understand what are the different problems of children. Mostly we people always think children means they are having good school, they are getting food on time, they are living happily with their families, means this is the positive side. But one more picture we have. What is that? Some children are not getting all these facilities. In our surrounding also we can see some children, they are not going to school. Why they are not going to school? Because they have to work to fulfill the needs of their family and to fulfill the needs of their own. Am I right or wrong? In our surrounding also we can see some children, they are selling vegetables, they are doing different sort of work. They can also go to school, they can also live normal life, but these children, they are having their own problems. Due to that, they are not able to go to school. So dear students, with the help of this chapter we will be able to understand what are the different problems of children, and we should feel sympathy for them, and if we can help, then we should try to help those children. So let's start this topic. There are many reasons why children have to work. Some help their family make a livelihood. Others who run away from unhappy homes need to support themselves. Children who have to work cannot go to school and play like other children of their age. Same points are given as I told you. Firstly, why they have to work? Because they have to fulfill their needs. Then second option, what can be the second option? Maybe they are not treated properly at their home, they are not happy there. Due to that, they have to leave their home. So in this chapter we have the story of a boy. The name of this boy is Velu. Velu, in starting some key points are given so you can understand this story properly. Velu, he is a boy. He is an 11-year-old boy. He runs away from home. Velu runs away from his home. So one question is there. Why did he run away? What is the reason behind that? Then he wanders around for hours before getting on a train to Chennai without a ticket. He didn't have money to purchase a ticket. That's why he got into a train to Chennai without a ticket. Why he was without a ticket? Because he didn't have money. Tired and hungry, he doesn't know where to go when a stranger at the station shouts a word of welcome. Velu was tired, he was hungry, he didn't know anyone there. Then suddenly he met a stranger. A stranger. Who is a stranger? If we don't know that person, then that person is a stranger. Unknown person, you can say. So let's start. When the Kanyakumari Express pulled it at Chennai Central. It took Velu some time to get off. When he finally stood on the platform, his legs felt wobbly as he was still on a moving train. Velu was in Kanyakumari Express. Kanyakumari Express is the name of a train. When Kanyakumari Express arrived, what is the meaning of pulled in? Pulled in means arrived at Chennai Central. Then Velu came out. He got off from the train. When he finally stood on the platform, his legs felt wobbly. What is the meaning of wobbly? Unstable. Those who have travelled by the train, they can understand. When if we stand in a train, then we feel unstable, we feel unbalanced. So that is called wobbly. Shivering was there, that type of moment was there. As if he was still on a moving train. He was standing on the platform, but still his legs were wobbly. He felt some movement in his legs. Oh, out of the way! A porter went by with a loaded trolley. Velu jumped aside. Then one coolie was passing from there. He was having his loaded trolley, means on railway station coolies are there, those who have to carry the luggage of passengers. Then Velu get aside. He sat on a bench on the platform. Now the scene of the railway station was described. In this picture here you can see Velu. He is Velu and he is sitting on a bench. He is sitting on a bench there. He sat on a bench on the platform, putting his small bundle down. He had a small bundle with him. In all his 11 years, he had never seen so many people except once a year at the fair in the village. Then the scene of the railway station was given. There were lots of people, big crowd was there, and Velu, he didn't see so many people. He saw so many people only in the fair of his village. People walked by, bumping into him with their suitcases. A voice announced something on a loudspeaker. Then people were moving from on the railway station, and they were bumping. Bumping means to hit something by accident. Because crowd was there, that's why they were hitting each other by accident with their luggage. Then in loudspeaker announcement was made done. Near him a group of people sat on their luggage. Some people were sitting on their luggage. Some people were having big bags, suitcases, and they were sitting on their luggage. Looking at a TV hanging from the roof, the noise was terrible. Then one TV screen was there, and people, there was lots of sound, lots of noise was there. People were shouting here and there. Simply in this, in through with the help in these lines, the scene of the platform is described. People were moving from here to there. Big crowd was there. Velu put his head down on his knees. Then Velu was sitting on that bench. He put his head down, feeling miserable. Velu was feeling miserable, bad, and exhausted. Exhausted means tired. He had run away from his village 2 days ago. When did he run away from his home? Before 2 days. For 2 days he had eaten nothing but some peanuts and a piece of jaggery. He didn't eat anything from the last 2 days. He just had some peanuts and piece of jaggery. Jaggery you can say good, sweet dish. In his bundle, he carried a shirt. What did he have in his bundle? He carried a shirt. He carried a shirt. Shirt was there. And this one. Yes. Now you can see he carried a shirt was there, a towel and a comb. He had walked for most of the first day to Kannur. Kannur is the name of a district. Kannur is the name of a district. Then got on the train to Chennai. Then from Kannur he took the train to Chennai. Velu had no money for a ticket, but luckily the ticket collector didn't come to the unreserved compartment. He had tried to sleep on the floor near the door. A group of men next to him had played cards and shouted all nights. From Kannur he took the train to Chennai. Then Velu he didn't have money, so that's why he was not able to buy ticket. He was lucky because ticket collector didn't come there. Ticket collector didn't come to unreserved compartment. He was in general compartment, so that's why ticket collector didn't come there. He had tried to sleep on the floor. He tried to sleep during night, but people, they were playing cards, they were shouting, due to that he was not able to sleep. Ah, what new to town? Called out a rough voice. Vallu opened his eyes. There were a lot of people standing around, but nobody was looking at him. Then one strange voice came. What new to town? What is there in this new town? Means who is new? Vallu is a stranger. Vallu is new to that city. Then one voice asked, Who are you? Then Vallu opened his eyes. He saw here and there, but he didn't see anyone. Then again the voice came and he turned around. Then Vallu turned. Behind him was a girl around his own age. Then this girl was standing behind him and she was calling him. She was asking him, Oh, a new person in this town. Then that girl was wearing a long banyan. In the picture also you can see this girl is wearing a long banyan that came down to her knees. Her hair was stiff. Stiff means uncombed. Her hair was not combed. Brownish. The color of her hairs was brown. She had a huge sack on one shoulder. In this picture also you can see here she was having a sack. This big bag is there. This one. She was picking up dirty plastic cups from the floor and stuffing them. She was picking plastic cups and all that stuff, and she was keeping all these into her bag. Why is she calling me? Thought Velu. Then Velu thought, why did this girl call me? And why is a girl wearing a banyan? According to Velu means girl should wear frock, different type of clothes, but this girl is wearing a banyan. No need to stare stupidly. What's your name? Then the girl asked Velu, what is your name? Velu muttered. Muttered means speak very slowly. Velu was not confident, so that's why he speak in a very low voice. So then he said Velu. Then the girl asked, So Mr. Velu, looking at his bundle, run away from home. That girl was very smart. Then that girl asked, looking at his bundle, You run away from your home. Velu didn't answer anything. He didn't want to tell some strange girl what he had done. He had run away because he could not stand his father beating him for one more day. That girl was a stranger. So that's why Velu didn't tell anything to that girl. Then Velu, why did Velu run away? Because his father used to beat him daily. His father, whose father? Velu's father. Velu's father was beating him daily. His father would snatch away all the money Velu and his sister earned and spent it on drink. Velu's father, he was a drunkard, and due to that, he took all the money from Velu and his sister. Don't think I don't know, this place is full of children like you. Then the girl told, I know everything. In city, there are many children like you. So what are you going to do here? Become rich? Then that girl asked, why did you come to city? To become rich? He sat down next to him. Velu shifted away slightly. Then she also sat down on the bench. Then Velu shifted a little bit. He felt hunger pinching him and pressed his stomach with the cramps. Velu was feeling very miserable. He was feeling bad. Hungry? Asked the girl. Then that girl was a good observer. By observing Velu, then she asked, are you hungry? Then she told, you won't get food by sitting here glumly making faces. I can find some if you want. Then that girl told, you can't get the food by sitting here. By making sad, glumly means very sad face, this type of. Then that girl asked, if you want, I can give you food. I can help you. She picked up her sack and started to walk away. Then that girl picked up her sack, that big sack she had. Then she walked away. Velu stayed on the bench. Velu was still sitting on that bench. What should he do? Should he follow this girl? Where was she going to take him? She was disappearing into the crowd, so he had to make up his mind quickly. All right, he decided. Any way, I have no idea where to go. He jumped up and ran after her. She was not even looking back to see where he was. In starting, Velu was confused whether he should follow that girl or not. But after some time, when he knew he didn't have any choice because he was new in that city. So that's why he decided to follow her. So now Velu decided to go with that girl. Now, dear students, some questions are given here. Velu stood on the platform, but he felt as if he was still on a moving train. Why? His legs were wobbly. We have discussed already. So why did he felt wobbly when he came outside the train? Many reasons are there, like he was hungry, he was tired, he was not able to sleep during night, and he was not confident. Then you have to write this answer in your notebook. You can write the answer in your own word. What made him feel miserable? Same thing is there. He ran away before 2 days. He didn't eat anything. He was new in that city. Many things are there. Velu traveled without a ticket. Why? I hope you know what is the reason behind this, because we have discussed in the above part. How did he escape the ticket collector's attention? Same is given, because he was in general compartment and ticket collector didn't come there. Why had Bellu run away from home? This reason also we have discussed. Because his father was a drunkard and he used to beat him daily. Why did he decide to follow the strange girl? In last part we have discussed because he didn't have any choice. He was new in that city. He didn't know anyone, so that, and he was feeling hungry also. So that's why he decided to follow that girl. These 5 questions are given. You will write down these 5 questions in your notebook, and you have to make some extra questions also from this part. Okay, so I hope you have understood this part, and still if you are having any problem, then you can ask me. Thank you students, thank you for watching. We will meet in next video. We will do the next part.